Hi, Mike. Thanks for joining us today on English Talking Habit. It's great to have everyone here.
Hello, Lisa. Welcome to all our viewers around the globe.
How's your day going?
Pretty good. Actually, Mike, I need to tell you something. I made a huge mistake this morning.
Oh no, what happened?
Wait, did you notice what I just said?
Made a mistake?
Exactly. I used the word make without even thinking about it. We say it all the time in English.
Oh wow, you're right. Make breakfast, make plans, make friends, make noise.
Yes, and the interesting thing is, this little word shows up everywhere in everyday conversations.
So today we're learning about one simple word, M-A-K-E. Just 4 letters, but we use it constantly.
That's right. And don't worry if it seems confusing at first. We'll break it down together with lots of real examples.
Sounds perfect. Let's learn how to use make like native speakers do.
Okay, Lisa, so I hear people say make all the time, but what does it actually mean?
Great question. At its core, make usually means to create something or cause something to happen.
Create or cause? Okay, that's simple enough.
Right. For example, when you make breakfast, you're creating food. When you make noise, you're causing sound to happen.
Oh, I see. So it's about bringing something into existence or making something happen.
Exactly. Like this morning, I made coffee before work.
Coffee. I make coffee every single morning too. Can't start the day without it.
See how natural that sounds? We don't say, I create coffee or I produce coffee. We just say, I make coffee.
That's true. It feels very everyday, very casual.
And here's the thing, make is super flexible. You can make physical things like food or crafts, but you can also make decisions, make plans, and make progress.
Wow, so it works for both physical stuff and abstract things?
Exactly. That's why English speakers love this word. It's simple, natural, and works in so many situations.
Okay, I'm starting to see why this word is so important.
Let's start with the most basic use, making physical things you can see and touch.
Like making food?
Perfect example. You can say, I make breakfast every morning, or I'm making dinner tonight.
Oh, yeah. What about I'm making pasta for lunch?
Exactly right. And it's not just food. You can make other things too. Like, I made a birthday card for my mom.
Oh, that's sweet. Did you really make one by hand?
I did. I used colored paper and stickers. It was fun.
That's creative. You can also say, I make art, or I make jewelry, right?
Yes, anytime you create something with your hands or effort, make is the perfect word.
What about building things? Like, I made a shelf.
Absolutely. I made a shelf or I made a table. Very natural.
So basically, if you're creating something physical, food, crafts, and furniture, you use make.
That's it. And here's a tip for learners. If you can hold it, eat it, or see it, you probably make it.
I like that rule. Simple and easy to remember.
Exactly. Now you can talk about cooking, crafting, and creating in very natural English.
Okay, so we can make physical things, but what about things we can't touch?
Good question. This is where make gets really interesting. You can also make decisions, make plans, and make choices.
Oh, like I need to make a decision about my vacation.
Perfect. Or I made a choice to learn English this year.
That's cool. What about plans? Can I say I'm making plans for the weekend?
Absolutely. That's super common. What are you making plans for? Or I made plans to visit my family.
Nice. This feels very practical, like real life conversations.
Exactly. And you can combine it with other words too. Make arrangements, make an appointment, make a reservation.
Oh, wow. I need to make an appointment with my dentist.
Yes. Or I made a reservation at the restaurant for 7 p.m.
This is so useful. I use these all the time, but never really thought about the word make.
That's the beauty of it. Native speakers use it automatically, and now you will too.
So if I'm deciding something or planning something, I use make.
Exactly. It shows you're taking action and creating something, even if it's not physical. All right, here's another super important use of make, talking about mistakes and progress.
I make mistakes all the time when speaking English.
See, you just used it perfectly. I make mistakes is one of the most common phrases.
Really? That's good to know. I thought I was the only one.
No way. Everyone makes mistakes. It's how we learn. You can say, I made a mistake on the test, or I made an error in my email.
Okay, so mistakes and errors. Got it. What about progress?
Great question. You can say, I'm making progress when you're improving at something.
Oh, like I'm making progress with my English speaking.
Perfect. You can also say, I made progress this month, or I'm making good progress at work.
That's encouraging. It sounds positive and active.
Exactly. And here's another one, make an effort. Like, I'm making an effort to practice every day.
Oh, yes. I made an effort to wake up early today.
Yes, you can also say, make a change. I'm making changes to my daily routine.
This is great. So I can talk about my learning journey using make.
Absolutely. Make progress, make mistakes, make an effort, make changes. All super natural and everyday.
Lisa, I noticed something. Can make also be used with people and feelings?
Yes, great observation. You can use make to talk about causing feelings or reactions.
Like, you make me happy.
Exactly. Or this song makes me cry. Or coffee makes me energetic.
Oh, wow. So it's about causing an emotion or a state?
Yes, you can say, funny videos make me laugh. Or sad movies make me emotional.
That's interesting. What about making someone do something?
Good question. You can say, my teacher makes me practice every day, or my alarm makes me wake up early.
Oh, so it's about causing an action too.
Exactly. Though be careful, this can sound a bit forceful, like someone is making you do something you might not want to do.
Right, like, my boss makes me work overtime.
Yes, perfect example. So make can cause feelings or actions in other people.
This is powerful. One little word does so much.
All right, Mike. Let's go through some super common phrases with make that you'll hear all the time.
I love this part. Let's do it.
First one, make sure. This means to check or confirm something.
Like, make sure you lock the door.
Perfect. Or I need to make sure I have my keys.
Next one?
Make sense. This means something is logical or understandable.
Oh, does this make sense to you?
Exactly. Or this explanation doesn't make sense.
What about make time?
Yes, that means to find time for something. I need to make time for exercise.
Good one. How about make money?
Very common. I make money from my job. Or how do you make money?
And make fun of.
Yes, but be careful. This means to tease or mock someone. Don't make fun of me.
Oh, that's important to know. I don't want to sound mean.
Right. And finally, make up. This can mean to invent a story or to reconcile after a fight.
Oh, interesting. I made up an excuse, or we made up after arguing.
Exactly. Same phrase, two different meanings depending on context.
Okay, Lisa, let's put this all together. Can we do a quick conversation using lots of make phrases?
Great idea. Let's go. So, Mike, what did you make for breakfast today?
I made scrambled eggs and toast. It was simple but good.
Nice. Did you make any plans for this weekend?
Actually, yes. I made plans to visit the museum with my friend. What about you?
I'm making arrangements to have dinner with my family. Oh, and I need to make sure I finish my work first.
That makes sense. You're pretty busy this week, right?
Yeah, but I'm making progress on my projects. I made a lot of effort yesterday.
That's great. Hard work makes you successful.
Oh, thanks. You always make me feel better when I'm stressed.
See, everyone? Look how naturally we used make in this conversation.
Exactly. Once you practice, it becomes automatic.
Before we finish, should we talk about some common mistakes?
Definitely. First mistake, using make instead of do.
Oh, what's the difference?
Good question. Generally, make is for creating something and do is for actions or tasks.
Can you give examples?
Sure, you make breakfast, but you do homework. You make a cake, but you do the dishes.
Ah, so I can't say I make homework.
No, that sounds wrong. Say, I do homework instead.
Got it. What other mistakes should we watch out for?
Don't forget the past tense is made, not maked.
Oh, yes. I made dinner yesterday, not I make it dinner.
Exactly. And remember some fixed phrases like make a decision, not make a decide.
Good tip. The word after make matters.
All right, everyone. We've covered so much about the word make today.
Yeah, from making food to making decisions, making plans to making progress.
The key is to practice and not worry about being perfect. You'll make mistakes, and that's totally okay.
Exactly. Making mistakes is how you make progress.
I love that. And remember, the more you use make in real conversations, the more natural it will feel.
So here's our challenge for you. Leave a comment and tell us, what did you make today?
It could be food, plans, decisions, anything. We want to hear from you.
And if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are learning English.
We make new videos every week to help you improve your English step by step.
Thanks so much for watching.
Keep practicing, keep making progress, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.